Welcome to ATP Customs. Over the rest of the summer, I'm going to be building a car guy's review on what a car guy who doesn't know much about tech thinks of the Osmo 3 gimbal and the Youmic double microphones that I got off of Amazon. Now, I've been playing with it for a couple of weeks and I am definitely not a tech guy. So currently my review on the microphones, they have been wonderful. The only thing about the microphones is they do not come with the 3.5 millimeter adapter for your iPhone. You have to order that separately, anywhere from 15 to 20 bucks. But so far they've been wonderful. They drown out the wind noise really well. Every once in a while I get a little crackle in my videos that I have missed somehow. Rubs up against your clothing or something like that, but it's definitely made my videos better, so I'm very happy with them. I'm just learning how to not have them rub up against my clothing. As for the Osmo, that takes some getting used to. Being a car guy, I find myself out in the woods hunting for vehicles in areas where I don't have a lot of phone service. So if you have, 3 bars or less, the gimbal will not work for you at all. It runs through your app and it just not going to happen if you're out in the country somewhere. The other thing I'm unsure about is when I'm filming a car and I put the gimbal through a window, the angles that you're, when you're trying to get the dash and the back seat, the angles that you're using, the gimbal gets a little floppy. Could be me, but it takes some getting used to. So I am still learning with that, and you're going to see all sorts of weird excitement of me trying to learn how to use that thing with all the fun vehicles I have kicking around. The other equipment that I have ordered and I'm still learning how to use, I haven't used it very much, is the GoPro Hero 7. This is the entry-level model, so it does not come with the remote control, but it does have voice activation, and I have been having fun with it with my little 8-foot golf setup in my living room, and it's really fun to use. My wife also uses it for her cooking channel, Tammy's Rippin' Kitchen, and it's really handy. Yes, my tank protector. I also ordered an accessory kit off of Amazon, and there's so many accessories in there, it is unbelievable. You have wrist mount, you have chest mount, head mounts, you have a clip for your hat. You have the long extension, you have the floaty. There's so many things in that, and it was about 35 bucks. That thing I'm really excited to get into using this year because it's time this thing comes out of hiding. This thing's been in hiding for the last 5 years. I have not been riding, but I am going to get on this beast this year. I'm very excited. I've got to clean the fuel out of these things. They're ready for a refresh, change all the oils as soon as the snow stops flying. But pretty quick, probably May, this thing will hit the road and we'll go have some fun with all the cameras. And my brother's going to bring up his brand new Aprilia 1100 and we'll compare old versus new, a 2000 ZX12 versus his Aprilia 1100, and see how just regular guys, we're not racers but have a ton of motorcycle history. So we're going to utilize all these cameras and gear. We will also be using the Uclear Bluetooth communications devices, which I have been using those for a lot of years, and I love them. They're so handy, so reliable. They hold a charge for so long, it's incredible. You can listen to your music, you can still answer phone calls. I don't know why you'd want to do that when you're out riding, but you have that option. So we'll be showing you how those things work and go through all these little gadgets and learn about them myself, as well as having fun with all the toys this year as soon as the weather breaks. And it looks like about a week we should be warming up to 15 to 18 degrees. So spring's almost here and this beast is coming out of hiding. Thank you for watching and I hope you subscribe.